Hi, Murray from Tassomai here, and we're coming up to exams. Year 11 revision is upon us, and it's a really crucial time to make the most of what opportunity we have to find out where our students are making mistakes, fix them, discuss them in class, and hopefully get them practicing them before the exam. So let's just look at a typical class. They're all doing quite nicely in chemistry, lots of green dots, but that organic chemistry column is a real worry for me. Not only lots of red and orange dots, but small dots. That means they haven't been doing that much of this topic, so there are gaps in their practice. So let's do a group quiz for this class in organic chemistry. Now that was just the higher tier students, so let's make sure we include the foundation tier as well in this, because we're all in this class together. And although you could do all of chemistry, all of physics, you can also break down to topic or even subtopic. Let's do a quiz in organic chemistry. Now at this point you can choose the length of the quiz, you can select the number of students, so in case somebody's away today you can deselect them, then you build the quiz. Only takes a few seconds to compile, and now the quizzes we're getting here, the questions we're getting, are showing where the students either have a very low exposure to the material and or have a relatively high error rate. Quite a few students getting this wrong. It's fairly straightforward. Let's say coal. Now this, let's see what's next. Next question. Right, butane has the molecular formula. Now is it C1 essentially, C2, C3 or C4? Now let's see who's been answering this, because 4 students have had a go. Their accuracy has been quite low. Well, someone's gone for propane there. Someone's got it right there. Their name's behind there. Their figure there should be. So it's a mix of answers. Now, who do we agree with? Is it Lucy, Adam, or Lewis that we agree with? Well, you can discuss it in class, discuss what the other molecules might be there, and click that and continue. So it's a really nice group activity, brings up discussion. You can ask Lucy, do you remember if you got it right? You can ask Adam, do you remember if you got it right or wrong, what the correction was? So it's bringing into mind and helping reinforce that the practice they do at home is then, diagnostic and therapeutic. But also, once you've done these quizzes, the answers for this go into the general practice of all the students in the class. The 24 students who hadn't seen this question will now get it to practice to reinforce, and the mistakes that students make at home in their practice will then inform the next group quiz. So it's a really good way of accelerating this diagnosis therapy test process and making the most out of the revision time you have with your Year 11s. So, super powerful tool. It's really only coming onto the platform in September, but if you want it for your Year 11s this summer, please do get in touch. My colleague Artie will talk you through how you can get it switched on right now. Otherwise, come to our website. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I think this is going to be really powerful, so do get involved. Thanks very much.